Calvert's now into double figures, having a really good third quarter.
Really good game
Yeah,
there.
good shot.
Olympus tries to get the ball in bounds. Flinders gets the foul, his third.
Got a great
Really
little
good shot,
matchup
Calvin.
here
I like the
between
follow.
Brandon Flinders battling Jordy
Camera
Barnes.
3,
Jordy
take.
kind of got a foul on him just on the inbound play.
Camera 2,
Flinders kind
take.
of hanging all over Barnes right now, and just trying to be one of those obnoxious defenders that stays on. Obviously, they saw what Jordy did to him in the first half, and they're coming out really trying to give him a bad time.
Yeah, odds have it that they will probably be snapping each other later on tonight, because I believe Facebook friends are no longer a thing, right?
Yeah, I think they might be going out. Maybe Hanson, Jordy, and him will invite him out for a root beer float after the game.
Camera 3, take. Yeah, just follow
Dutch
Dutch,
Dowdell
number
trying to
12,
get some action
right.
going here. Takes the ball hard to the hoop and fouled.
Good
Gets 2 free
follow.
throws.
Camera 1,
Olympus up
ready,
19
take.
and a half.
Camera 3.
Fremont's done a nice job and cut it down to 12 here in the third quarter. We've got
Ready.
2.5 minutes left to go. And,
Take.
We're outscored. Olympus
Camera 2,
outscored
take.
by 7 points this half.
That was beautiful switching.
Well, JB, hard to believe this is Dutch Dowdell's
Camera
first
3,
attempt
take.
at getting some points on the board tonight. Fremont has played some suffocating defense on him.
Camera 2, take. Parker,
You know,
take
Dutch
blue
missing
bench.
that first free throw.
Calvin,
He
take
stepped up
Olympus.
nice in the Davis game and knocked 2 down. Right.
Ready, camera 1, take.
Free throw woes continue for the Titans a little bit here tonight.
Ready, camera 3, take.
Oftentimes as a shooter, though, once we get that ball in that hoop, it seems to get bigger.
They'll be fine.
Looks like the Titans are trying to get him an easy shot, driving to the hoop. Oftentimes a good free throw shot can open up
Parker,
that
get a shot
rim
at
and
the
get the
section.
scoring going.
Sometimes I just tell guys, go make a layup, right? Go make
Okay,
a layup,
ready,
get your
camera
confidence
3,
back up, and you'll
take.
start scoring. Here we are, 5 threes in the first half, 0
let's
threes
go
for
back
Olympus
to camera
in the
1.
second half. Really haven't shot too many here.
Let's go camera
And,
2,
look
Calvin,
for
pick a
Olympus to
player
open
or
the
a coach
spread
to
up
zoom
just a
in
little
on
bit.
the huddle.
Try to get the court spread a little better and find some
good.
looks for,
Okay, camera 1,
for
take.
Barnes or Dowdell
Now
or even
follow that player
Jack.
out of the huddle.
Big Jack hitting, pulling up another one from the three.
Really nice shot.
I think Fremont's doing what
great
they had to
shot.
do to get back in the game. You know, they're playing really physical, trying to battle it out inside. Obviously having Anthony pick up his third foul, he came in and scored a couple of really nice buckets fairly effortlessly by
shot.
getting himself so deep on the block.
Okay, ready, camera
Coach
2,
Mulaney doing a wonderful job
take.
going right at the Titans down low.
There we go. Dutch back on the board with a free throw here.
Camera 3, take.
All right, 2 minutes, 26 seconds left to go in the third quarter.
Ready,
Fremont
camera
brings the
2,
ball up.
take.
He's
Good
all
shot.
over
Camera 2,
everybody.
take.
He's like that
Oh, that was
gnat that
nice.
never goes away. Just probably his greatest strength is his defense.
Jack Wishes over the corner, Lucas McCain. He shoots it up for 3. Short. Rims off long, though.
Nice rebound by Will Rich, playing opposite side, looking for that ball to come off right where it needed to be.
Jack Wishes with the ball. Dumps it right back out to Dutch Dowdell. Dutch being guarded by former teammate Hunter. Hunter gets the hand in his face and disrupts the shot. Air ball by Dutch. Rebounded by Jack Wishersill.
Camera 1, take.
You know, Lucas McCain stayed with that play
Camera
all the way
2,
through.
take.
Stayed in there and battled, kept the ball alive.
Camera 3,
Eventually,
take.
ball's tipped out by Fremont. Olympus
Camera
ends
1,
up with the
take.
ball.
Olympus spots the ball baseline.
2, take.
Jordy looking to get the ball in. Gets it into Dutch.
You know, we got a big mismatch right now. Fremont's guarding Jack with a 6'1".
Christian
Big
Blanch
player,
on Jack.
but
Jack
that's
goes
just-
right to the hoop.
Camera 1, get Jack.
Jordy recognizes that
Take.
mismatch right away.
Really
Fremont
good
coming
shot.
in. He's
Good
big,
follow.
he's
Just
stalking,
follow
he's
him to the
linebacker,
free throw
he's
line.
running
Camera
back at
3,
Fremont
take.
probably.
Wishes
But
over
that
the
was a good
bucket
shot,
and the
Parker.
foul.
you can't let him get the ball if you're going to go with that kind of a mismatch. Jack is just
Zoom
able
out,
to drop
Calvin.
step
We just want the
and lay
basic
it in.
free throw
Fremont
shot.
coaches
Okay,
a little
camera 1,
vexed,
take.
thinking the ball was on the ground for that foul, but nonetheless, Jack will get a free throw, and it's good.
Great to see Jack knocking those free throws down tonight. Good
Titans
for him.
lead the Silverwolves 57-41, about a minute left to go in the third quarter.
Okay,
That's a
ready,
great
camera
answer
3,
by the Titans
take.
there. Great setup by their defense.
Ready, camera 2, take.
Kept him in the game.
Gonna switch on Jack. He goes right to the hoop. Wisher still blocks.
Jack.
Titans get the ball. McCain heaves it up at half court. Just
Get
bit
a close up on
outside.
15, Calvin.
So here we were, 2 minutes left in the
camera 1,
third
take.
quarter. Olympus'
Nice.
lead had been cut to 12.
Good
7
follow.
seven
Parker,
points
get the
taken
Fremont
off. Now
bench,
Olympus is back
the
up
blue
in the
bench.
game. You know, that's frustrating basketball when you take 6 minutes and you cut 7
Or-
points off. And the next 2 minutes, Olympus puts it back
yeah,
up
good
to
shot,
where
Calvin.
They started the third quarter.
Yeah, Fremont had a great third
Camera
quarter.
2,
Really
take.
impressed with their defense, impressed with how they got the ball down low. And then just like that, the Titans get some points towards the end of the quarter.
Camera
Those were
1,
hustle
Lead
points.
60 to 41 as quarter 4 is about ready to begin.
Those were just hustle points.
camera 2,
You
get
know,
the
Lucas
cheerleaders.
McCain making some nice moves. Jordy,
And-
Will Rich
okay, ready,
punching
camera
the
2.
ball away here in the corner. You know,
they're
Jack
done.
staying with
Okay,
a couple of
it's all right.
shots. I just like the effort that these guys are putting forth tonight.
The penetration,
go.
the driving, the kick, players knowing where to
Okay.
float and to kind of
camera,
get to the right open space to get that ball for the
1,
open shot.
get the
is
refs.
impressive.
Just
So,
take.
JB, we're 10 days from Christmas. And I just want to wish all of our viewers in the Philippines right now Merry Christmas. I think we have one.
Do we have one viewer in the Philippines?
Yeah, it's Dallin Hall. I told you that.
Oh, yeah. I
He's
knew
sitting there
Dallin
on his
heard
mission
we were
right
gonna
now.
be in.
Yeah, he's on his mission right now. Well, why don't we say Merry Christmas to
three,
Harry
take.
Career, too? Like,
Harry Kerr, I know, is on the line tonight. And,
good shot,
it'd be nice
camera
to have
1.
him come to the
Hit
game
number
where we could actually
11
maybe do an
on
interview
White.
with him.
I know, but I don't
Catch
think
up with him.
the whole NIL thing he's got
Yeah.
going on. Is that what it's called?
Guy has so many offers.
Okay.
I know. I think
Just
is
so
it-
you know, if you're
Number
looking to
2,
do a deal
take.
with Harry Career, give Jeremy Blanck a call. I'm his agent.